What does comparison shopping mean? Imagine you're about to buy a new pair of sneakers or a phone. Would you just pick the first one you see? Probably not. That's where comparison shopping comes in. It means looking at different stores, websites, or sellers to find the best price and value for what you want. You check how much each option costs, what features it has, and how good the quality is. The goal is to avoid paying too much and to get the most for your money. For teenagers learning about managing money, comparison shopping is a smart skill. It helps you make better choices instead of rushing into a purchase. For example, if you want a new backpack, you should look at several stores or online shops. Some backpacks might cost $20, but others could be $35. You also want to see if the cheaper one is sturdy and has the features you need, like multiple compartments or water resistance. Here's how comparison shopping works step by step. First, decide exactly what you want. For instance, if you're buying a new phone, know the brand, storage size, and features you need. Next, find similar products that match your needs. Don't compare a phone to a tablet or a different gadget. Then look at prices from different sellers. Use online stores, apps, or flyers to see who offers the best deal. Sometimes there are discounts or coupons you can use to lower the price. After checking prices, consider the quality and features. A phone that costs $50 might not last long or have the features you want. Read reviews or ask friends if they have experience with the product. Sometimes paying a little more for better quality is worth it. Then, calculate the value. This means thinking about how much you're paying versus what you're getting. The best deal isn't always the cheapest, but the one that gives you the most benefits for your money. Finally, pick the option that fits your budget and needs best. If you find a phone that costs $100, has good reviews, and meets your needs, that's probably your best choice. Using comparison shopping helps you save money and avoid impulse buys. It also teaches patience and smart decision-making, which are important skills for managing money as a teen. Technology makes comparison shopping easier today. You can use apps or websites that show prices from many stores at once. This saves time and helps you find discounts or special deals. Learning to compare prices early on builds good habits. It helps you stretch your money further and makes you more confident about your spending choices. Sometimes, parents or guardians can even match the money you save, making it more rewarding. In the end, comparison shopping is about doing your homework before buying. It helps you spend wisely, save money, and become better at managing your finances now and in the future.